Now that we know when the game ends, we need to find a way to stop the background and obstacle from moving left because the game is over. But since the player controller script is the only script that knows when the game is over, it means we need to create the instance of the script in the move left and the game manager script. But first we will start with the move left script. Declare a private player controller variable and let's call this player controller script. Now we have a reference to our player controller script in the move left script. So that is how you can get two scripts to communicate among themselves. In the void start function, let's use this line of code to find the actual script and attach it to the reference, which is player controller script. Game object is the class that contains all the game objects in your game project. Using the find function in this class, let's look for the player controller script that is sitting on the worker game object. If you're wondering what all that talk was about, go over your lines of code. Hopefully it should sink in. Next, write an if statement and use the script reference class to call the game over variable. You cannot find game over after adding the dot operator because we declared it as private in the player controller script. Hence, we have to go back and change the access modifier from private to public so that other scripts and classes can access this variable. Now use false after the equality operator. This line of code means that as long as the game is not over yet, continue executing what lies within the block. But the moment the game over becomes true, the condition within the if statement in the move left script will no longer hold or stand. If you notice, the game is still working like before. That is so because we didn't change the game over from false to true in the player controller script. And to be precise, this is in the if else block of the onCollisionEnter method. And now with the game over set as true, the background and the obstacle will be brought to a halt. Save your work and return to Unity. Now our game is working as anticipated. So I'll see you guys in the next video.